Hi my dear students, today we are going to make a revision from on unit 2. Okay, choose the correct answer. 25 plus 3 plus 8. We know that we have associative property. Here we have 25 exists in the other side and 8 exists in the other side. So the missing is 3. The additive natural element is the additive natural element, or the additive identity element is a number which never changes addition. It equal 0. So the additive natural element is 0. طب who know the multiplicative natural element or the multiplicative identity element is? Yes, very good, is 1. Number 3, 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 plus 5. So the answers will be equal because we have associative property in addition. Associative property is applicable in addition. The property which can add any in any order is which property never changes the answer if we replace the places of the numbers? Yes, commutative. Hani writes the statement 9 minus 7 equals 7 minus 9. Why is this statement incorrect? We know that the commutative property is not applicable in subtraction. Okay, associative property is not applicable in subtraction. Commutative property is not applicable in subtraction. Yes, this is the right one. Associative property is not applicable in subtraction. Commutative property is applicable in subtraction. Okay, so the right answer, commutative property is not applicable in subtraction. Which of these strategies would be the best to help to find the answer of 72 plus 18 using mental math? Okay, use add to subtract by adding 72 plus 18, then subtract 8 from the sum. No, it's not right. Use compensation by adding 70 plus 18, then subtract 8 from the sum. If I use compensation in this, why can subtract 8 from the sum? Use breakup and bridge by breaking up 72 into 70 and 2 and breaking up 18 to be 10 and 8. Add 70 plus 10 and 2 plus 8, so it will be 80 plus 10 equal 90. This is the right one. Which strategy should be the best to help you find the value of 167 minus 58? Use compensation to subtract 167 minus 60, then add 2. Use compensation to subtract 167 minus 60, then subtract 2. In compensation, in subtraction, we will add the number which we take before. Okay, find the sum of 492 plus 358. 492 plus 358. Okay, let's see. If I add 8 plus 2 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5 and carry up 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, so the answer 850. Find the difference 981 minus 239. Okay, let's start. 1 minus 9 doesn't go, so we are going to borrow 1 from 8, it will be 7 and 1 will be 11. 11 minus 9 equal 2, 7 minus 3 equal 4, 9 minus 2 equal 7, so the right answer is 742. Which choice shows how you should make correct rounding to estimate reasonable answer to the problem 394 minus 177. Here we will find that 395, it's not a reasonable rounding. 400 minus 180, it's not reasonable. Here rounding to nearest hundred, and here rounding to nearest tens, it's not right. Here rounding to nearest tens, it will be 390, and rounding to nearest tens, it will be 180. So this is the right one. What is the value of x if 56 plus x equals 71? It will be 71 minus 56. Here we have part and whole. So if I want to calculate if I want to get part, it means whole minus part. It means 71 minus 56 equal 15. If we add 20 to the number x, the result will be 35. So the suitable equation is 20 minus x equals 35, 20 plus x equals 35. This is the reasonable one. 20 plus x equals 35. A stationer has 300 pens. It had left 160 pens in a day. Let J represent the number of pens sold. Which bar model represents the number of pens the stationer sold? Here we have 300 is a whole and 160 is a part and J is a part. We know is the bar model, the whole putting whole up and the part down. So it will be 300 and 160 and J. So this is the right one. Ahmed wants to travel to Alex if the distance between Cairo and Alex is about 155 kilometers. If he covered 120 kilometers and x represents the left distance, which equation represents this problem? Okay, here we have the whole and part. So it means 155 equal 120 plus x, or 155 minus 120 equal x. Samia plans to paint her house. She already has some paints for the project. She buys additional of 18 liters of paint before starting the project. After using 18 liters for the project, she has 10 liters left. How much paint did she have before she started the project? Okay, it means 18 plus 10 Loma remainder equal 28. So it had 28. Put the suitable values in par model. If Yusuf made 20 pieces of falafel, he ate 6 pieces and his brother ate 4 pieces. How many pieces are left? We will draw the par model, and we have 20 pieces as total. Then the parts will be 6 and 4 and the remainder x. So we will add 6 plus 4 equal 10. So 20 minus 10 equal 10 pieces. A park had 3,672 visitors during 3 days, 762 visitors on Saturday and 1,548 visitors on Sunday, and the rest on Monday. How many visitors are there on Monday? So calculate first the visitors on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, 762 plus 1,548, it will be 2,310. The number of visitors on Monday, it means the total 3,672 minus 2,310 equal 1,362. Thank you.